Imagine a world where every decision is made by an AI. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to sleep, algorithms dictate your life. What to eat, AI decides. Where to work, AI knows best. This might sound like science fiction, but it's a future we're edging closer to every day. The question is, do we really want to go there? Some might argue that this is the natural next step in human evolution. After all, we already trust machines with our finances, our health, even our love lives with dating apps. Isn't it only a matter of time before we hand over the reins completely? But at what cost? The allure of an AI-driven world is undeniable. Imagine a world where technology seamlessly integrates into every aspect of our lives, making everything more efficient and convenient. Imagine a world without human error, where every decision is perfectly calculated for maximum efficiency. Picture a society where mistakes are a thing of the past, and every action is optimized for the best possible outcome. In this world, every decision is perfectly calculated for maximum efficiency. Public transport runs like clockwork, and agriculture is so precise that waste is virtually eliminated. Traffic jams would be a thing of the past, resources would be allocated with pinpoint accuracy, and logistics would be streamlined to perfection. Imagine never having to worry about delays or shortages. Even complex global challenges like climate change could be tackled with cold, hard data. The possibilities seem limitless. Renewable energy would be optimized and environmental impacts meticulously monitored and managed. Need a new job? The AI matches you with the perfect position based on your skills and aspirations. It considers your strengths, weaknesses, and career goals to find the ideal fit. Want to plan a vacation? The AI curates the ideal itinerary, taking into account your budget, interests, and even the weather forecast. Every detail is tailored to ensure you have the best experience possible. On the surface, it sounds like utopia, a world where everything is perfect and everyone is happy. But scratch beneath the surface, and you'll find a darker side to this seemingly perfect world. The reliance on AI could lead to unforeseen consequences, and the loss of human touch might create a cold, impersonal society. The most immediate casualty in an AI-driven world is human autonomy. As we increasingly rely on artificial intelligence to make decisions for us, we risk losing our sense of self-determination. If every decision is made for us, what happens to our free will? The essence of being human is the ability to choose, to make mistakes, and to learn from them. Do we simply become cogs in a giant machine, our lives dictated by lines of code? The fear is that we might lose our individuality, becoming mere components in a vast impersonal system. And what about the things that make us human? Our emotions, our intuition, our capacity for love and compassion. These are the qualities that define our humanity and enrich our lives. Can an algorithm ever truly understand these complex nuances of the human experience? Can it replicate the depth of our feelings or the subtleties of our thoughts? The ethical dilemmas are staggering. We must consider the moral implications of allowing machines to make decisions that affect human lives. Can we entrust machines with life or death decisions like who gets access to healthcare or how justice is served? These are questions that challenge the very core of our ethical beliefs. And what happens when the AI makes a mistake? The consequences could be dire, affecting lives in ways we might not be able to foresee. Who is accountable when there's no human in the loop? The question of responsibility becomes murky, leaving us to ponder the true cost of perfection in an AI-driven world. Section 4. Where do humans fit in? The truth is, AI is a tool. It's a powerful tool that can be used for good or for evil. It has the potential to revolutionize industries, solve complex problems, and even improve our daily lives in ways we never imagined. But ultimately, it's up to us, the humans, to decide how we want to use it. We hold the responsibility to steer AI in a direction that aligns with our values and principles. We need to establish clear ethical guidelines for AI development, ensuring that these technologies are used responsibly and for the benefit of all humankind. This involves creating frameworks that prioritize transparency, accountability, and fairness. We need to focus on fostering human creativity and innovation, the very qualities that set us apart from machines. By nurturing these aspects, we can ensure that AI complements rather than competes with human ingenuity. And perhaps most importantly, we need to remember the value of human connection, empathy, and compassion. These are the traits that define our humanity and cannot be replicated by any machine. These are the qualities that make us who we are, and these are the qualities that will ultimately guide us towards a future where humans and AI can coexist and thrive together. By embracing our unique human attributes, we can create a harmonious relationship with AI, one that enhances our lives and the world around us. Section 5. The future, a partnership, not a takeover. The future doesn't have to be a dystopian nightmare where machines rule supreme. It can be a future where AI augments our capabilities, helps us to solve complex problems, and creates a more sustainable and equitable world for all. But this future requires us to be vigilant, to ask tough questions, and to never lose sight of our humanity. The choices we make today will determine the course of our future. Let's choose wisely.